Hello, YouTube friends and family. How are you today? I have a Five Below haul for you today. The $5 store. They may as well just say $5 store because ain't too much in there under $5. It is ridiculous. Then the stuff that's in there not priced. Then they got the $5.55 and all that's going on. Oh my goodness. However, we got some garden and back to school items and prep items, basically. Garden, back to school, prep. So, and I'm telling you, you get 5 items and you spent $25. Okay? It's too much. But this is where it's at. What is still worth it is the graphic tees. So I got this graphic tee. Peanuts, tennis club. I didn't realize it said tennis club. I thought it was just peanuts. But this is back to school. You can get $5 t-shirts and shorts here in Florida and call it back to school. And these are adult sizes. So then I got this one. Says, let's grow together. Another work shirt for me. Let's grow together. That's a cute little shirt, $5. So the $5 tees, graphic tees, are still worth it to me unless you have a Cricket and you go and buy the $1.25 tees at the $1.25 store and put your own logos on them. So, I mean, hey, but I don't have a Cricket yet. Cricket, if you want to reach out, I'll be sure to play with one if you send me one for free. How about that? So, the books, yes, they are $5, but I always check them out when I go there. This is Immune System Hacks with all that's going around today. I'm telling you, with all that's going around today. This telling you how to boost your immune system. The precautions to take when flying. Get more magnesium. Check your zinc intake. Cultivate confidence. Get more sleep. Combat depression. Go for a stroll in the park. I don't need to be told that. Rethink antibiotics. Be environmentally conscious. Turn down the heat. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Practice gratitude. Drink ceremonial cacao. I don't know about all that. Now, something I do know about that, I noticed about that store, kind of get me a little, they got a lot of sage to burn and incense to burn and all kinds of palm reading books, stuff like that. I ain't spending my $5 on it, but they got that kind of. So I don't know, but $5 is $5. They going for what the people want. And if you have iPhones, then they have all the cases and accessories. Now that might be a good deal. And the back to school earbuds for the kids, the cases for the kids, all that kind of stuff is there for $5. I am running around all over. I went to Best Buy, tried to find a phone case for this this Samsung S20 I just bought, because Amazon keeps sending me the wrong case, or I keep ordering the wrong case. I don't know. Finna drop some off at the UPS store now. But I went to Best Buy. I found the correct case. However, that thing was $30. So you know what? It's still at Best Buy. I'm not spending $30 on no phone case. So now that I know exactly what to order, I keep trying Amazon for a $10 or $12 case, because I'm not paying $30 for a case. Hopefully the phone don't drop or fall or nothing like that between now and then. But I'm going to wait till Amazon can bring the right one to the house. So I have, this is the other book, The Healing Kitchen. So this, I'm looking at this for, because you know, thyroids, stuff that I can kind of grow to help with issues. I'm going to look through this book and figure out some things that I could grow and put together. They have the summer solstice tea now. Okay. Let's see. Lemon zinger mullein blend. And getting the blood moving on a cold day. Come in from the snow, sit down with a hot mug of lemon zinger mulled apple cider. So, and then they got the actual powdered herbs, ashwagandha, and what they're good for. All the herbs and their benefits. Elderberry is tart and it's good for immune support. Ginger root, sharp, peppery hot, immune support. So this is good for herb references, what they do, lots of stuff like that. So I say I would look through this, and it has some juices in there, some milk, some tonic milks, nourishing breakfast bowls. So it gives you some recipes for some healthy stuff that'll help you stay healthy, which is what we need with all this stuff going around. So this one, I did not like it. I was just too curious, had to pay for it. But trust me, if it's something too simple and rudimentary, I'm gonna take it back after I've opened the plastic. Forget that. So this is in plastic, and it's the First Time Gardener bundle. So there is 2 books in here. One is growing plants and flowers, and one is growing vegetables. 2 books. So that's why I'm like, let me see what's inside of here. And they all in plastic, so what are they hiding? And if it turns out to be something like that ain't even worth $5, it's going back, and I'm going to get my $5. Trust me, I'm keeping up with this receipt. So, because we ain't got money to be wasting. Well, we gonna look together. So if you know, based on what I show you today, if you decide it's useful, you can go pick it up from your nearest Five Below if they have it. So let's see. And we do, like I say, 1980s and 90s and 70s, Google was a book, was the library. Now, it's like people don't use the library. Only thing in there, you know, is people trying to stay cool through the day. And have your personal library at home for, you know, just in case. So, growing plants and flowers, all the know-how you need to plant and tend outdoor areas using eco-friendly methods. So we're going to read the contents. Understanding the basics of plants and flowers, definition, concepts, and more. And, oh, no, this is like, well, it's like 80 pages. The building blocks of your garden, plant needs, garden layouts, and containers. Planting your garden, steps, tips, and common mistakes. Caring for your garden, the what, when, and how. Common garden problems you will run into and how to avoid them. And then the author's page. You're going to tell me what a tree is, a shrub, a ground cover, a herb, a ornamental grass, a vine, and a bulb. They give you a little chart on that. And they give you the descriptions and best uses. Let's see what else. How to attract pollinators. Right plant, right place. Matching plants to your own preferences. Determine the spacing of your new garden. So it's plenty of information. Before you buy plants, remember to follow these steps. But now that I've taken propagation, I don't know if I'm going to be buying them anymore. The steps, tips, and common mistakes. So it's a decent book. I think I'll keep it for Grow by Seedlings. I think I'll keep it for yeah, it feels like it's enough information. It's $5 worth of information. And maybe I'll even go buy another one for the next giveaway. So this is growing vegetables. I'm getting a little woozy. Growing vegetables. Okay, so the chapters is 5 chapters. The foundation, what every garden needs to succeed. Creating your garden. Growing with the seasons. The need for seed or not. And making the harvest. Convenience matters. Stuck on a shaded lot, but desperate to grow a garden. Soil versus dirt. Organic matter soil amendments. Okay, so this is worth it. Negotiable and non-negotiable. And this is like an easy read. So you can read 80 pages in a couple of days. Winter squash, summer squash. Perennials, grow zones. Made in the shade, short seasons. So yeah, this is worth it. This is worth it. I give it a thumbs up. We keeping it. It was in plastic with this wrapped around it. If you're looking for it, look down on the like shelves at the bottom. And these two, Healing Kitchen and Immune System. So something you may be interested in. But that was it. Because $25 and I wasn't even in there for that. That was enough. So, please, get your gardening books and reference materials together. If you can't buy a book, you at that job, print a couple of pages from the internet, put them in a binder. Keep this information handy where you can put your hands on it. Not you got to pull it up on a phone or the internet or anything like that. It needs to be in a written form just in case. Lights out. You don't want to spend the little bit of electricity you generating solar to figure out how to get some food growing. So just think about those things. I just want all of you to stay safe. Prep and pray. Prep and pray. Prep and pray. The world is changing rapidly. I'm going to actually put up a community post on any changes in that $50 Walmart haul, because what I actually did, I left it in the cart. So I'll refresh the cart and see if that amount has changed and how much has changed. Because I do just kind of suggest that you go to Walmart or your nearest grocery store with some items in mind. Because I was watching, I forgot her name. Oh goodness, I forgot her name. But she found in Walmart where they were changing labels and sizes, which the companies are changing labels and sizes. But they are clearancing out the old labels and sizes. So walk the Walmart aisle with things in mind that you need, and you may just find it on clearance enough to put in your stockpile. I just really think, like I say, after I saw $3.39 for a dozen of eggs, I'm like, ooh, we in trouble. We can eat 2 people. Me as 2 people can eat a dozen of eggs. You know, a 2-person household. We can eat a dozen of eggs in a week. So you add that up with everything else, it's starting to look real bleak right now. So please prep and pray. Start figuring out. Have meatless Mondays. Don't need meat every week. Don't need eggs every day. Get them kids to start eating oatmeal. Fancy it up to where they like it. Mine don't eat oatmeal. I'm in trouble. He don't eat oatmeal. He don't eat cereal. Oh gosh, I'm in trouble. But I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So I hope that you are able to do the same. I do thank you so much for watching. If you like what I'm doing over here, then please subscribe to the channel. Click that like button, and we can chat this thing up in the comments below. What are some things you saw at Five Below? Because I got so disgusted. I went and looked for what I looked for, found a few things I wasn't looking for, and then I got out of there. I didn't really do a deep dive because I don't see where 90% of that stuff is worth $5. So Let me know below what you found that you think is worth $5 and $5 below. Maybe I overlooked it. I do thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. And while you at it, plant a tree too. All right. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.